Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to create SEO blog images fast, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type blog graphic into the search bar and press enter. You will see a variety of templates specifically designed for blog images. Browse through the options and select a template that suits your blog's theme. Click on the chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Familiarize yourself with the editing interface, including the toolbar on the left side. To customize your design, click on any text box to edit the text. Input your blog title or keywords relevant to your content. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the options on the toolbar. Next, if you wish to change the background, click on the background area. Select a color or choose an image from the Canva library by clicking Photos on the left. To enhance your image for SEO, consider adding relevant visual elements. Click on Elements in the toolbar to find icons, shapes, or lines. Drag and drop any elements you want to include in your design. Ensure that images and graphics are relevant to your blog topic. Once you're satisfied with the design, focus on optimizing for SEO. Click on the text elements and include keywords in the alt text field. To save your creation, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose the preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Click Download to save the image to your computer. Your SEO-optimized blog image is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.